Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my mobile gaming videos. Today, I'm testing something that's been circulating online. People are saying there's a simple way to get extra gold in the Grand Mafia without using a PC, downloading anything, or rooting or jailbreaking your device. I wasn't sure if it was actually legit, so I decided to test it myself and record everything from start to finish. I'll show you exactly what I did, what happened, and whether anything actually changed. Let's get into it. The first thing I needed was my player ID, so I opened the Grand Mafia and went straight to my profile. I found the ID, copied it, and saved it so I wouldn't have to switch back and forth later. It only took a couple of seconds, and then I moved on to the next step. After that, I opened my browser and went to the website that people had been talking about. The site listed a bunch of different mobile games, so I searched for the Grand Mafia and selected it from the results. The interface looked clean and simple. Everything was easy to navigate, and I didn't run into any annoying pop-ups or confusing menus, so I kept going with the test. Once I was on the page, there was a short form to fill. I picked my platform, iOS or Android, I'm on Android, and pasted in that player ID I saved. I double-checked it, hit connect, and it linked up with my account in just a few seconds. I'll be honest, I was a bit skeptical, but the page seemed to be using secure connections, so I rolled with it. Once it connected, it showed me different amounts of resources I could add. I picked the one that felt right for my account and pressed the generate button. From there, I just let the system do its thing in the background. Apparently, it routes through different servers and all that technical stuff. Right before the resources were supposed to land, there was a quick verification pop-up. They said it's there to stop bots from abusing the system, which honestly makes sense. It was simple. Just needed me to grab a free app from the official store and complete a tiny task inside it. They even had a short guide if you get confused. Took maybe 5 minutes. A little extra work, but nothing painful. Now it was time to see the result. After everything was finished, I launched the Grand Mafia again and checked my gold balance. To my surprise, the extra gold was already there as soon as I got back into the game. I didn't have to restart the app or wait for anything to refresh. I honestly wasn't expecting it to happen that quickly. So that's the full test from start to finish. You've seen exactly what I did, so now you can decide for yourself what you think. If you've tried anything similar before, let me know in the comments. I'd be interested to hear your experience. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more mobile game tests and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.